What we have here is a Caterpillar D6K track type tractor equipped with what we call our attachment ready option. So that includes these quick disconnect plugs right in the front of the cab of the machine, so we can quickly add different grade control technologies from Caterpillar. What you see on this track type tractor today is we have a dual GPS Accugrade system mounted on the front of the blade. And how this works is we get GPS signals from our satellites up above our head, and then it also communicates via radio network to a GPS base station. And what that allows us to, the operator and our customers to do, is to get 1/4 inch accuracy on the front of this blade. Okay? So as the contractor is blading, he knows where this tractor is at all times in reference to a design file on the job site. So as he's blading, he can either use it in one of two ways. He can use it in a manual mode or an automatic mode to automatically adjust the blade and to get to grade quicker. The big benefits of this feature, of this Accugrade blade mounted system with a Caterpillar tractor and the attachment ready option, is we're optimizing the productivity capabilities of this tractor for our customer. Typically our customers see an increase of 40% productivity in regards to fuel savings, less rework, being able to place material in the right location and at the right elevation, and also helps our customers save on survey costs as well, reduces up to 90% of their survey cost. And the reason for that is because now that we have the design file inside the cab in front of the operator, he's got all that information he would typically be looking at for on a grade stake. It's all right there in the cab for him, so he knows how productive he's being and what all of his cut and fill information is on the job site. Now, what's also part of the attachment ready option on a track type tractor is you have mounting for your 3D display for the dual GPS system. So I can move this out here. This is our 3D display that we have mounted into the dash of the tractor. And what this display does is it allows the operator to put a 3D design file or a 3D model into this display. So the operator now at his fingertips, he has all of the job site information that he would normally have on paper plans. He now has in a digital format right in front of him visually, so he can see where all his cut and fill information are and what the job site needs to look like when it's finished. So I can either take this out at night, I can take this entire bracket off, disconnect the harness, and I can take it away for safe storage at night. I can simply move this display back in, lock it in place, and now with this display down on the console, I have great visibility to not only the 3D design model, but also good visual reference to my blade tips as well. Now, what also comes with it are integrated joysticks with the attachment ready option. So these joysticks have 3 buttons on either side, and on the right side and left side we have increment and decrement switches, so I can bump up my design up or I can bump the design down based on how much material I need to move and and enabling the operator to optimize his blade load. I also have 2 yellow switches on these joysticks as well, and this lets me put it into either an automatic mode or I can leave it into a manual mode. Now, typically our operators that use GPS technology on our tractors and even our motor graders, they'll typically grade about 90% of the time in manual mode. So they'll be using some integrated light bars that are on the display and the information on the display itself to look for their cut and fill information. So they'll manually blade, they'll automatically adjust the blade on the front of the tractor to get down close to grade, and then once they get into that 3-4 tenths of material that they need to finish off, what they can do is they can hit this yellow button and it'll go into what we call auto mode. So now the blade will automatically adjust and go to that grade, that finished grade. Again, this is optimizing the blade loads on the machine, and this is driving tremendous efficiency for our customers and helping them reduce their rework cost, helping them with fuel consumption, and all the other productivity costs that they run into. Customers are really liking this solution and finding a lot of value out of it. Again, this is a D6K track type tractor with the attachment ready option and with a dual blade, a dual GPS system, Accugrade GPS system on it.